10, 25, 21. Hurts being stood up at the bowling alley, men's night no less. Not that we, in the infancy of our plans, were ever aware of such a fact. I waited there, like a jerk, in the eyes of the old bowling attendant, who was much shorter and far wider than I, who asks me, "Are you here by yourself?" In my innocence, I reply, "No." "Yes, but I'm waiting for someone." I stand there like a pin while she tells me the lanes are full except for the 5-pin lanes. The 5-pin lanes were half as full and half as interesting. They were happily occupied by children and their parents who watched that ball as it hurled down the waxy lanes into the gutters. So I walk out, through rain that soaked my sneakers, past fast cash, installment loan stores, 300 for the price of 20, past kissing couples hiding under umbrellas, past people wrapped up like tarpaulin cocoons in the alcoves of 24/7 pizza parlors. I am fueled by the fiery death of several cigarettes, like a spark plug for my lungs. They drive me down Princess Street to my toucan, my pub that awaits me. I fall inside, sheathed in sheets of rain, and crawl into a pint. At the bar, I spend my time thinking, drinking. An old woman a few seats down starts talking to me in an Irish accent. She tells me stories of her youth, of her family, of her uncle who floated over from Ireland to Newfoundland on a chunk of ice. I nod, I drink. She asks me questions that I don't know the answers to, but with enough alcohol could invent. She asks me, "Is your father fully Irish?" "Yes, I guess." She talks of the war. Which war? I'm not sure. Sometime from before myself. I don't say much. What could I say in my 20 years courted by her existence? She catches the 9:30 bus, tells me before she leaves, I always take the 9:30 bus home after drinking, because if I miss it from drinking too much or too long, I will have to walk home instead and reflect, because there are no more buses after that. Tonight, however, she's taking the bus, and the only reflection she'll get is from the dirty bus windows and the little lingering drops of moonlight. Pint after pint, piss after piss, I return to less Guinness and less company, wondering about the point of it all. I borrow from the bar a pencil and paper. Freed from thought, too drunk to write, I transcribe the events of tonight. Thank you.